HostPapa is a Canadian privately owned web hosting company that provides shared reseller and a private server hosting. It operates in Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, New Zealand, Mexico, Singapore, India, Hong Kong, European Union, France, Ireland, Belgium, and Spain. Whew, bye-bye! Let's talk about the hosting plan. With HostPapa Starter Plan, you will be able to host 2 websites, and this is great since most of the servers allow you to host only 1 website with the Starter Plan. Free domain name, 100 SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, free Let's Encrypt SSL certification, CDN for faster website connection, website builder, and a cPanel. Now let's talk business. With a business plan, you will be able to manage unlimited website, unlimited SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, unlimited database, unlimited email, unlimited subdomains, and your website will be stored on a stronger server with 2 core CPU. The Business Pro. With the Business Pro, you will receive all the benefits from both hosting plans with 4 CPU, your website will be hosted on a server with fewer users, which means a higher and better performance, 300% performance boost, the Pro version of the website builder, wildcard SSL certification, and automatic backups, and a domain privacy. Now let's talk about the support, shall we? The HostPapa customer service can be reached around the clock via free hotline as well as via email and the live chat. However, the easiest way is to create a support ticket. HostPapa Knowledge Database or Knowledge Base have a numerous instructions offer your customer a very good help and enable them to solve their problems independently. Compared to other providers, HostPapa even offers a multilingual support. Hardware security. HostPapa set up sophisticated web hosting infrastructure. It forms the heart of their offering, so the data center has been equipped with extensive security measures. The power supply is a critical element in web hosting. HostPapa data centers are reliable, powered by transformers. Power transformers. This papping get electricity from local station if the main power lines fails. Several diesel generators are available in emergency as well. In this way, HostPapa ensure uninterrupted and at the same time redundant power supply. In addition to the power supply, a number of other measures are necessary for maximum availability. Specifically, HostPapa is taking care of fire protection system and water detectors, as well as the temperature controls. Additional surveillance takes place around the clock by trained security staff. Numerous surveillance cameras not only covering the sensitive areas but also capturing an area in a large extent. Access control alarm system, extensive reporting skill, and identification system. Now let's talk about the pros. 30 days money back guarantee. Domain name included, unmetered traffic volume, no setup fee, attractive price. Website construction kit available, SSD hosting, free SSL certification, and the option to choose server location. Now the cons. Automatic site backups are only included with the Business Pro plan, unfortunately, but this is the life we live in. At least 1 year, and a domain registration will cost you $13 after 1 year. So, is HostPapa any good? Yes, it's a good web server, especially if you're looking to host a medium-sized website. Unlike most other hosting companies that offer in 1 website with basic plan, HostPapa offers host 2 websites and a 100 GB SSD with 30-day money-back guarantee. So for those who's looking for something little more beginner-friendly, HostPapa definitely a great choice. Looking for best web hosting deal? Make sure to check our web hosting deal finder. Find the perfect hosting for your needs.